I was so shy and so unprepared and so undersized. I was my parents' first crime, although they didn't know it was a crime, was to be allow me to skip grades when I was from the second to the third grade or whatever it was, so that and then everybody forgot about it, so that I didn't realize I was 6 months younger than everyone else. So I was 6 months smaller. I got pubic hair 6 months later than and in swimming class you were naked and I had nothing there, and never thought of the fact, well, I'm younger than these. It never occurred to me. I was just not good enough. I was not a man. I was not nothing. So what all fame did, as far as I was concerned, was to make me even with everybody else. Now, not that I'm better than you are, now I'm as good as you are because I'm famous. It took all of that. It took fame to make me as good as you. And now I can tell you what I really think.